A lot of people wonder why I'm so willing to publicly talk about Jesus online. And I'll put it to you this way. Imagine you fall off a building and a flying figure comes, swoops you, and brings you safely back to earth. You're going to tell that story until the day you die, right? So imagine living a life full of sin. Imagine living a life addicted to pornography. Imagine living a life depressed. Imagine living a life not knowing what your next step was. But somebody coming in, swooping you, and bringing you safely to your feet. I'm gonna share that story until the day I die. That's why I'm willing, because it was a miracle. It was something that drastically changed my life. Jesus came into my life and turned everything around. My dreams, my aspirations, my desires. Everything used to be me. And now I wake up in the morning and ask myself, how can I glorify God today?